We'll restart it.
Okay.
Okay, so screwed up my first intro. We had to start over. A lot of things going on today. I'll talk about as I do it. First thing I'm going to do is smoke the front. So we are 10 days since installation. We have fed them and then fed them again. Nicole put an extra top on hers just to dry out frames. And that's what I'm going to do too. They've not eaten very much of the food at all that we put in here for this. I sent on the second fill up. But there's tons of bees in there. Come around the side, sweetie. I'll get in front of them. So you can see them all up in here. And this is a container full of sugar water. So I'm going to set this over. Grab my hive tool. As soon as I move this, they're going to want to come up. Smoke them down a little bit. And cover them up for just a second. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of comb up in there. Let me get past you, love. All right, so now for the big reveal. Let's see what they've been up to. Oh yeah, they got this glued down pretty good already. I'm feeling myself pulling comb apart. A little more love. Woo! They are not amused. All right, so I'm going to go frame by frame and see what they've been cooking up in here. Lord have mercy, they've been busy. Okay, so these frames on the outside were brand new, nothing on when we put them in. So let's see what they've done in 10 days. Oh my goodness. They have been busy, busy, busy. See bee bread, some pollen down in there, nectar all around the edge here. Let me look on the other side.
Partially drawn.
This is considered partially drawn, but they're well on their way. Okay. Thank you. It's very important to keep them facing the same direction and in the same order. All right, now, you can see here they built cross comb, another sign that they may be running out of space. Oh, that's tight. I can feel it breaking apart as I move it. Look at this right here. They have stored nectar here and they're already recovering it from where I pulled the top off. They are laser focused on nectar. All right. We have, this was, we have some capped brood right in the center and some honey up here and in the corner. I don't see any, oh yep, there's larvae. There's larvae down in those cells. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, right there.
Let's look on the other side.
Look at you.
They're still drawing out this comb. A little honey up in the corners, but nothing laid, no brood. As we get closer to the center, we will see.
Now you can just start pulling them this way.
Yeah, yeah. All right, it's okay. It's all right. Nothing but love. All right. Wow, this one's heavy. A lot of nectar, and it looks like they have, so this is capped brood in here, but I don't know if you can see this shiny nectar. This has hatched and they're back filling it with nectar because they're running out of room. So it's really important that I get more frames available for them, but I don't see any queen cells yet, or swarm cells. Here's a larva that's just about to be capped. All these are capped, which means, yep, they're gonna be coming out to play soon. Okay. All right, now I gotta speed this up a little bit because they're getting kind of cranky. And with each frame I'm prying apart, I can feel the comb being pulled apart. All right, so let's see what we have here. Another heavy, heavy frame, all capped brood. And what the spaces that are not capped brood, like right here, have been backfilled with nectar. All right, this will be the last frame I pull, I believe, because I've pretty much seen all I need to see.
Have you seen eggs yet?
No. Yeah, I'll see eggs. What'd you see?
What's that?
That's just bird comb.
Mm-hmm.
Just extra comb. All right. To look at that one, yep, we're cooking with gas here. You know, look out, look out. I'll get squished. All right. Where're the beetle traps? So there were some hive beetles in this, and they're there because of the pollen and the protein source, but without pollen, the bees get weak, and then that's when diseases come. Movies back over. Trying to make a little spot down here for it. Yeah, I know. I'm just going to push them in from the front. All right. Yeah, they found me. That's right. Okay. Get these girls back off the hive, back off that top. Oh, glory. Yeah. Push them back together. This last one down in there. All right, now I'm gonna put one up here. Get back in there. Get back in there. The trick here. Thank you. Is to try and carefully scoot this on without squishing it, which is a lot easier said than done. All right. Alrighty then. Put another beetle trap up here. To get them to go back down. Thank you, Nicole. Where's that notch at? I'll have to deal with that notch later. All right. So now these girls, they're all possessed about a little honey or nectar on the side. They'll find their way back in, as well as some of those down there on the ground. I may put a ramp down here for them when we leave so they can walk back up a little easier. Feeder back on, feeder thing, what's it called? It's feeder super, and then my feeder, which is almost empty after all, really. Okay. hit pause there. We're good here for a minute. All right.
You're gonna have to move because I'm fixing to put my lid right there.
You can hand it to me and I'll set it over here.
Okay.
All right. Opening up the top. We're going to get rid of that wax right there that they built up. Got it?
Put the black plastic on top of that.
Okay, will do.
So you want to smoke it?
Yeah, because I want to run them off, running away from it. All right. Now,
Hold this.
sure.
You're smashing a bee with it. Okay.
How long has that frame been in there? 3 days?
Almost 2.
Almost 2 days. Well, they're certainly up here in this section, but they've not, they're just now getting started on it. See how much easier those frames move
They're
for
already
Nicole?
starting to draw comb. This is day 2.
You see the white color? That's the new wax they're laying down. They got to draw those cells out to be able to use it for honey or new babies or whatever. Oh boy, they've really worked on that one.
There's my queen. She's in yellow.
Hang on, let me get over there and see that. Let's see.
Now she's gone.
Yep, they disappeared.
There she
up.
is.
Here she is over here. Yeah, I see her. We got her. We're good.
Let me see if she's laying any eggs. Do you see eggs in there? I see pollen.
I can't see anything in there.
No, I can't.
But she's in the neighborhood. That means eggs aren't far away. Woo! Goodness. They've even got comb on the, built on the bottom of that frame. And it's just 2 days old.
I don't see any eggs, do you?
I've not had a hard look yet.
No eggs.
Hang on.
Is that nectar?
Be right back. All right, so this is the bottom box. The darker frames are all the originals that came with it. And this is the frame feeder. You see down into that new frame right there, there's drawing it out as well.
see anything on this one. Good Lord, it's heavy.
Oh yeah.
So I've got honey in the corners. I've got brood on the outsides. I have larvae and nectar.
Yeah.
I have nectar. I have cap brood. They're doing some wonky stuff with the comb here. I don't know what that is all about. Should have taken that one out and left it out so I had room to move. Can you smoke me, please?
Yeah. They've about had enough of us being in here. Time to smoke them down a little more.
Yeah. You see all the larvae?
Yep.
So that is, I'm hoping, drone brood.
Wow, that's heavy.
Oh, shit, I just got pollen. Drones. Look at that underneath there. I may be swarming.
I'm sorry for the poor videoing.
Thank you. Yeah, there's all kinds of grubs in these.
Okay. Just kick it off the front and I'll pick it up later. Duh. Point the camera the right way, dummy.
Oh God, smoke them before you do that to me. Okay. Oh. There's some fuzzy ones. Good Lord. So now I've got a huge brood pattern.
Everything that's hatched I see back filled with nectar. So they really need those new combs to lay in.
Yeah, because I haven't seen any larvae. Haven't seen any eggs. This is very heavy, full of brood. I'm still not seeing any eggs, Tony.
I think that's why the queen was...
Is there something inside my hive?
No.
My head?
I think that's why the queen was up top. There's nowhere to lay in the bottom.
Yeah. Okay. This isn't heavy, so it's just comb. Let me see if there's any eggs in there.
Hold on a second, be right back.
Drawn at all.
All right, we're back now. Just had to have a close look at that last frame. There were actually two itty bitty starts of a queen cell. but they did not have anybody in them. Hold on. Yep. Lord, it's already a 25-minute video. So basically what we're going to do here is put it all back together, and I'll talk more in just